Welcome to a day in my artist life. I'm so excited to be spending my day with you. So today is Tuesday, and I'm going to hook up my little gooseneck here for you so I don't have to hold my phone up. So on today's agenda, I need to pack orders. I have 2 orders from my web shop as well as 2 orders from my Etsy. So I need to pack up those orders and go to the post office. And I also want to plan out Friday's live tutorial, so we'll do that together. And I want to kind of take a few hours in the afternoon, enjoy the beautiful weather outside. It's so nice out right now. It's like high 60 degrees Fahrenheit and sunny. So I want to just take an hour or 2 of like a painting time for just me, because usually lately when I paint, it's usually just a tutorial. I haven't painted for me for like months, and it's now the late morning. So this morning I already worked a little bit. I had a video premiere this morning packing orders. It was a silent vlog, which is something I haven't done before. It was a lot of fun to make for you, and you guys seem to really like it. I'll put that video in the description of this video here. So that premiered, and I chatted with you guys who were at the premiere. And if you were there, thank you so much for watching. So I did that, and then I created a carousel post for my Instagram. Here, I'll show you what it is. Okay, so I'm on my tablet because I'm filming on my phone right now, but this is the carousel post I made this morning. Gosh, you can't really see it that well. Okay, but it's 5 things you need to let go of. So I created this in Canva. So that was nice, and I used content from my last Blooming Artist newsletter. It's like an artist newsletter I send out every other Friday, and usually from that newsletter I like to take key points that I wrote about and make it into a carousel post for Instagram. So that's what I did this morning. As well as I got ready, I actually put on makeup. So that's like my morning. Before I get to packing orders, I do want to kind of update you guys on some things. So as you know, or as you may know, I have a booth space at a local shop. I acquired it like in the fall, and the first few months it did okay. But then lately, like this year, actually, like January up until right now, it's not doing very well at all. I make like maybe $12 to $20 a month from that booth. And you're probably like, well, that's good, but it's not, because it costs me like $35 a month for my booth space. I'll be going there tomorrow and telling them that I'm leaving. I gave it enough time. And yeah, I also want to update you. My YouTube channel has been improving a lot. Things are starting to pick up, and my business within like the last few months has been picking up. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support, like watching my YouTube videos. And Leo is down here. Hi buddy, come here. No, he's not. He's doing his own thing. So things are starting to pick up in my business. I'm starting to make a little bit more money, so that's good. So I've been trying to figure out outsourcing things. So I've been working on that. That's something new. I have been working on learning how to outsource, setting up systems in my art business so that I can maybe outsource someone to create Instagram posts, or turn my YouTube videos into reels. Anyways, I think I talked enough. I probably talked your ear off. So let's start packing orders. just finished lunch and I'll go to the post office later on, but I really just want to enjoy the day first and paint outside. So I was thinking of painting in my sketchbook. So I need to find a sketchbook here. I think I'll use my Etcher sketchbook, which is a really nice sketchbook. Has really good quality watercolor paper in it, so I will link the sketchbook below in the description for you guys. So I think I'm going to use this sketchbook here, and I want to paint peonies and cherry blossoms because there is this art challenge going on that I have been wanting to partake in. It's hosted by Palacios Paints. I probably said her username wrong. But anyways, I'll link her Instagram in the description. I think I'm gonna paint loose peonies and cherry blossoms and hopefully they turn out because I'm not that good at painting loose flowers. Okay, I think I might use my Vintage Pastels pan set for this. And this thing. I use this when I paint outside and when I travel somewhere and I paint like when I'm on vacation and stuff. So I'm going to take this outside, my paints. My cart here is very messy, so please, please don't mind the mess. But I'm going to take a jar and then some watercolor brushes. By the way, this I got on Amazon and I love it to organize my brushes in. So yeah, I will link this too in the description for you. But of course, I am going to be taking my silver and black velvet brushes. So I might just take these three here. So this vintage pastel set does not have a green that I really like, so I'm going to instead take one of these greens in here. I'm thinking the green earth right here from my Agalo set. I'm done earlier than I was planning on it, and I do not like how it turned out. It was just for fun. I was not planning on like really filming this or really showing anyone. I really like how the peonies turned out, but the other flowers were supposed to be cherry blossoms and they don't even look like cherry blossoms. And it's really cold out, like in the shade. So my hands are like really cold. And my neighbor next door, you probably can hear them mow. They were waiting on me to be done because they were outside with their mower, dilly-dallying around. And right when I came inside, they started mowing, so yeah. But it was really fun to just be outside for like 20 minutes and paint. Get out of the house a little bit. I just got back from the post office and I have some happy mail that you guys have sent me. So let's open these together. You see Leo? Okay, here we go. I have no idea who this is from. It doesn't have an address or anything. Chatra! Oh my goodness, I've been expecting this. Chatra, thank you so much for this card and this tea. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try this like right now after I open the rest of this mail. And the sticker that you sent me, look at that, guys. So beautiful. Wow, the lighting's kind of off, but wow, she made this. This is the first sticker she made after joining my Nature with Watercolor membership. Thank you so much. I'll link her Instagram in the description below for you guys. Her art is breathtaking. You should definitely check it out. So in my last live watercolor tutorial when we painted the strawberry plant, we talked about this Dr. Martin's Bleed Proof White and how this is a great alternative to white gouache. And I think one of you guys sent me this. That is so sweet of you. I think it's Trish, did you? Or Allison Evans? Thank you. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try this out. I got contacted by this company, Zen Art Supplies, and they wanted to just send me these brushes to try out. So I was like, why not? I'm not obligated to like make a video about them or link these for you guys, but they just want me to try them out. So I'll try these out, and if I like them, if they're good, I will definitely share more about them with you in case you would like them. But they're supposed to be like really nice watercolor brushes. So I guess I'll be trying these out, and I'll let you know what I think about them. Thank you so much for sending me these things. I am so touched. This is my 2021 journal, so thank you so much for the sticker, Chatra. It looks beautiful on my journal. This sticker here is from Cherries. We opened up her Happy Mail in the last vlog. This tea is so good. Thank you, Chatra. So yummy. I put some oat milk in it, and I'm drinking it with this butter cookie. Leo, hey buddy. He's been sleeping there all day, basically. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and found it fun and inspiring. I feel like it was kind of all over the place, but sometimes that's just how my days are. I'm doing lots of different things. And there were a few things that I did not vlog that I did. I did write 2 emails today. One I sent out to my Nature with Watercolor members about our virtual meetup that is in 2 days. And then I wrote an email about my watercolor challenge, my new watercolor challenge. So, if you don't know, in 2 weeks, well, I guess it's like a week for you. So by the time you're watching this, in 1 week, I will be hosting a 10-day watercolor woodland animal challenge. And it's a lot like my other challenges, like my bird challenge and my butterfly challenge. 10 days, it's free. We'll be painting 5 animals in 10 days, and they each come with a live watercolor tutorial. But to get access to those tutorials and the animals we'll be painting, and like the whole schedule and everything it comes with, you have to sign up for it. But it's totally free though, and I will put the link to it in the description of this video, and I hope that you'll join us. And I know I told you that we will be working on the outline for the live tutorial this week, but I will not be getting to that today. I always like stuff my days full, and sometimes I just don't get everything done. So I'll probably work on that tonight while watching Gilmore Girls or something. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and being part of my community on here. I appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Oh, and if you've made it this far in this video, answer this in the comments below. What is your favorite tea? And how do you like your tea? And if you don't like tea, tell us why and what you like to drink instead of tea. So my favorite tea is chai tea, and I like it with oat milk. I also like apple cinnamon tea with honey, and I like raspberry tea with honey, and I like chamomile tea with oat milk and honey. So yeah, I would say those are my top favorite teas. But this strawberry cream tea, this stuff is really good. So this might be on my favorite list. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.